There's a theater to spatial design. When you get it right, though, you don't notice it. You just feel that it couldn't be any other way.
There is an app for everything in life these days. It's very efficient, it's super handy, I use it all the time. We are less dependent on human interaction. And we're not aware of what it does to us, what it does to our behavior. And in places like this, you'll be confronted with people that have thought this through in a different way because it's their profession. And then you'll be confronted with a different approach to how to use digital.
You know, we all work individually or within our own companies and don't really get together to talk about the shared themes or visions or what we're feeling. What's great about the Frame Awards is it provides a platform to discuss the possibilities for the future.